Hello guys, today I'd like to introduce Gromit-mpx. When I say Gromit-mpx, it's like this. Gromit-mpx. So this is an app for writing things or drawing things on your screen on the fly. Gromit-mpx. So when I am going to show you guys how to install this one, and also I will tell you guys about how to use this app. So for installing, it's really easy, and also using this one, the user interface of this app is amazingly easy also. And before I jump in the whole things, if I talk about my previous experience of drawing things on screen, I got another app which is Draw on the Screen. The name is Draw on the Screen. This is also a software for Linux user, and when I use when I work on Windows 10, I got Epic Pen, and I loved this one. I still love this Epic Pen, but mostly I spend time on Linux system. I cannot use this one. So between Draw on the Screen and the Gromit for Linux users, I prefer using this one better, because this one is more precise and way easier. It has a way easier interface. So when I erase this stuff, I can erase whatever I want to erase it, and also I can erase things at the same once, like this. And so, but comparing to the drawing on the screen, you can erase everything for once, but if you cannot choose which one you erase out of writing things, out of all the things that you wrote on the screen, like this way, or draw things. And then it only basically, the draw on the screen has only the option of the Ctrl G stuff. So it was kind of uncomfortable for me, so I'm using this Gromit-mpx. So I will tell you how to install it now. Now I'm going to erase everything and going back to my mouse mode, like this. So when it's in mouse mode, it's like the arrow shape, and when it's in drawing or writing mode, it's kind of the target thing or the plus sign thing image, like this. Okay, going back to my mouse mode, and if you go to for your information, sorry, I have to tell you this earlier. I'm using Ubuntu 18.04. So I haven't tested this thing on other version or on other Linux system like Mint or other things. So I don't know about that, those systems or versions, but I know this one. I guarantee this one. On this one, this writing Gromit-mpx works on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, and then going back to my where is mouse? Okay, so to install this one, you probably have Ubuntu software built-in package or software, and go to the search mode and type Gromit, then it will probably show like these three options, and I choose this one, Gromit-mpx. It says already I got this one here installed, and then because I already installed Gromit-mpx on my laptop, it's asking between launch or remove. And then, so probably if you don't have this one installed, then you will get installed, probably just install. Then if you click install, let's say it's install button, then it's done, it's just done. Then you go to application, and you can find this thumbnail, and if you click it, you got that this top right corner. And now, because I explained how to install this one, I'm going to show how to use this one. To go into writing mode, it's a function, it's just F9, just hit the F9. So F9 goes into writing mode or drawing mode, WRITIN, writing mode. Spelling is hard for me, sorry. And then you can come back to mouse mode again using F9 again, like this. You see the arrow, so now I cannot write things. So I go back to the writing mode again, and if you want to erase things, whatever, the optionally or selectively, you just click the right button. You probably have the right button on your electric pen. For your information again, I'm using Gaomon drawing tablet 1060 Pro. So I am using Gaomon drawing tablet 1060 Pro. I like this one a lot, and I also talked about this one last time. This one is only probably $15 ish, and because it has to be shipped from China, so for my case, I paid $15 each again for shipping, and it was like $30 ish, and it works like a $100 device. It's worth to have this one. It's worth to have this one. I love it. I ordered what is that? The electric pen. One more for in case like broken, that kind of stuff, that kind of thing. So for me it was like 45 or 50 ish. Okay, I think I have to go back to the how to use one again. But the reason that I am saying and writing stuff here is because to show you guys how smoothly this is written or drawn on the screen. Very smooth. And if you want to erase everything, shift plus F9. Simultaneously you hit the shift. You can you have to do that simultaneously. You just hit shift first and then F9, then it goes away. It wipes everything clean. And then also I already told you that how to erase selectively. And if you want to change the color, then you can click the middle button on the mouse, then you have this beautiful green color. One drawback of this pen, I mean this Gromit-mpx, is that it provides only two colors as far as I'm right. I thought that it's weird, so I was trying to find and figure out if Gromit-mpx has another color to choose, but so far I haven't found out that. So yeah, just two colors for now. Anyhow, because this is really easy to use, I really like this one. So Linux users, try this one. Don't envy Epic Pro on Windows. Okay, thank you so much, and if you have any questions, the comment on the below, I mean on this YouTube. Thank you. I'm going to turn off this one, then okay, thank you.